All right. Given a motor turns a shaft of 24 tooth, so our drive gear is going to be our drive gear is going to be 24. The gear is matched to a gear having A. A is 8, so driven is going to be 8 teeth. All right. Which is connected to a second shaft. The motor will lift 8 pounds. So this is our torque. This is our stall torque of our motor. Can lift 8 pounds. All right. How much can the second shaft lift now? All right. So this is a drive over driven. So this is going to be a big to small. All right, because this is a big to small, the speed is going to increase and the torque is going to decrease. All right, so now all we have to do is calculate the gear ratio, and then we're going to divide that by our stall torque. So it's going to be 28 over 8, which is 3 over 1, or 3 to 1. So that means every 1 time this turns, 8 turns 3 times. All right, so then we're going to take our non-1 number, and this is a torque divider, so we're going to divide this by 3. And your answer is going to be 2.66 pounds. So that means that this 24 tooth gear, the torque was 8 pounds, but because this is a torque decrease, your arm is going to only be able to lift. Your arm is only going to be able to lift 2.6 pounds.